In this review, we will be discussing in detail the best monitors for photo editing available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best monitors for photo editing, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents top 5 best monitors for photo editing. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. LG 27 UK 500B Monitor. 27-inch UHD 3840 by 2160 IPS display. sRGB 98% color gamut. HDR10 compatible. AMD FreeSync compatible. Wall mountable. 27-inch in-plane switching panel. HDMI DisplayPort input. 1000 to 1 static contrast ratio. 300 candelas per square meter brightness. Number 4. BenQ PD3200U 4K UHD monitor. BenQ exclusive A-Color technology. 4K UHD high resolution. View files side by side with dual view. Ergonomic features allow you to customize your viewing experience with a tilt. The keyboard video mouse switch allows users to display files. Eye care technology prevents eye strain. Adjust image brightness and contrast for superior work in dark environments. Enhance the clarity of dark areas without overexposing bright regions in 3D animation. Number 3. LG 27 UN850W Ultrafine UHD IPS display. 27-inch ultra-fine UHD IPS display. VESA display HDR 400. USB-C with 60W power delivery. 99% coverage of the sRGB spectrum. Reduce cord clutter and increase efficiency. 3-side virtually borderless display with height/pivot/tilt adjustable stand. Virtually borderless design. Optimal immersion and performance. Number 2. Asus P278 QV ProArt display. 27-inch WQHD IPS monitor with frameless design. International Color Standard 100% sRGB and 100% Rec. 709 wide color gamut. High color fidelity for truly expressive hues. 75 Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync technology. Quick color gamut adjustment. Asus flicker-free technology. Asus ultra-low blue light technology. Versatile comfort with ergonomic stand design. Number 1. Dell UltraSharp U2719DX IPS monitor. 27-inch in-plane switching panel. 2560 by 1440 resolution. 1000 to 1 contrast ratio. 350 candelas per square meter brightness. 178 degrees per 178 degrees viewing angles. 8 milliseconds/5 milliseconds response times. Supports 16.7 million colors.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.